Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this stunning Porsche 911. Now this is the Carrera 2017 on a 17 plate, done very minimal miles. This vehicle boasts just under £20,000 worth of factory extras, so a massive spec car. And when you look at it in the flesh, the colour combination is absolutely fantastic. So the blue paintwork with the lighter interior, dual tone interior, the classic wheels, the little sunroof as well, it all ties up and it looks ace. So we're finished in the night blue metallic, which I think you'll agree is a lovely colour for these cars. Now big factory options on this one. So we've got the Porsche dynamic lighting system on this one. So we've got the nice LEDs within there. We've got front and rear parking sensors, LED daytime running lights. We've got our little headlamp wash there. We're riding on the 20-inch Carrera Sport alloys, all shod in matching Pirelli P0 tyres. All four alloys are in really lovely order. All the brakes are superb as well. Looking down the side of the vehicle, you'll struggle to find any dents, dings, scratches. You can tell the gentleman who owned this vehicle prior absolutely cherished it in his years of ownership. Now, obviously we've got the tilting and opening sunroof, which is a very nice option to have. Quite a rare one as well. Coming through to the back, we've got our deployable electric spoiler. Looking down here, obviously as we've got the front and rear parking sensors, that also includes the reversing camera. We've got the sports exhaust system as well. That's a mega factory option costing over £1,700. Again, going through to condition, looking at the bodywork, oh, absolutely ace. Now, inside, we've got the factory option of the dual tone leather. So, graphite blue on the uppers, so the steering wheel, all the dashboard, tops of the door cards, all finished in the lovely graphite blue. And then inside we've got the crayon seats, the crayon center armrest, detailing on the center console. But it's a very lovely contrast. And then when looking at the roof lining, that's all finished in the lovely suede cloth, graphite blue to match the dashboard. Then further on we've got the sport seats on this one, so fully electric sport seats with the memory package. So you've got two-way memory on the side there for the driver. Obviously sports chrono package as well, so that's a mega factory option costing over £2,500. We've got the Bose surround sound system as well, lane change assist, and then looking through to the rear, Isofix in the bottom. Jumping inside, the vehicle is supplied with both keys. As we're doing the video today, the vehicle has only covered 27,039 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Obviously being the chrono, sports chrono package car, we've got our G-forces on the chrono, tyre pressure monitoring system, trip computers, satellite navigation, all in the head up there. Coming through to the centre, we've got all the display settings. So obviously all of this is touchscreen. You've got your source, so DAB, Bluetooth audio, all your media there, satellite navigation, all your car features, apps, heated front seats, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver, selectable sports chassis modes, traction control, electrically deployable spoiler, obviously sport exhaust. As soon as you switch that on, you can hear the burble in the exhaust change completely. Sounds ace as well. Central armrest, a little bit of storage for your phone there. obviously central cup holders, and then we've got all the buttons for the sunroof. So press the button, you can have it so it just slides open, let some fresh air in through the cabin, or you can close it all up and then you've got that lovely coupe look. But inside it's not been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. And then still under Porsche warranty as well. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.